What is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, is this where the lighting addiction starts? I already bought more lights for my 2020 Tacoma. I bought fog lights this time. Once again from Diode Dynamics. Of course, here they are. I bought Diode Dynamics SS3 Sport. And these are with the yellow lenses, specifically for fog. I've got the box over here. Overall, hopefully this isn't too bad of an install. I'm just hoping this is a pretty good install, because boy, I'm excited for this. So far I've already got interior lights on this truck, which I ordered literally the day I bought the truck. I've actually already got more bulbs for this truck for stuff back here. I'll do that in a future video because I got a lot more plans. But overall, I'm really excited for this because I've actually really enjoyed this truck already in the month I've had it. And it's going to be pretty awesome to see this truck get a lot of lighting upgrades. Fog lights that are in it are not necessarily bad, but they're just kind of They're just little incandescent bulbs. Looks like they're not really made for much. They're just made kind of to be there. And so let's upgrade it. SS3s. So for that, I don't really have all the tools gathered. I'm gonna go grab Allen keys, and also I got a ratcheting 10mm wrench, which I really hope I don't lose because this is not cheap. I bought a set of these Christmas for 90 bucks, so really want this to work. So move up front with this truck and we're gonna get this install started. Alright guys, back to the front of the truck now. I apologize if you all hear construction noise going on. It looks like one of the neighbors down the street is getting their driveway resurfaced. It's always something with this neighborhood. You just can't win. So, oh well, we have editing for that reason. But anyway, I just went ahead and put the brackets on the fog lights. Just went ahead and did that off camera since there's really not much to see, but it's just two screws on either side. Per the directions, I'm pointing them down slightly since they're fog lights. They're supposed to illuminate the road in the event of fog and not really, outward. Of course, we got that. We've got the little adapter to make this work when we plug it in, but now to get this fender liner partially off. Oh well. Alright guys, I don't know how this is honestly supposed to work. It seemed like the videos all had a lot more space given, but you can see it in there, and I know you can't even see it because of the lighting, but that's it. That's the fog light that we're going to be removing. Okay, update for you guys. Stubby screwdriver saved my day here. This thing swallows my arm whole. Now if I can even just get it all the way out. There's the stock unit. Easy enough, right? It's only taking me 20 minutes here, but that's just me trying to be careful and take my time just because I know this is the first time doing it and I don't want to mess anything up. So of course, here is the replacement unit, and I just realized this is not even the right side. This is the driver's side, so I'm going to go swap out for the passenger side. I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back. This is the correct one. The plug here is on the bottom side. We take the plug here and it should just plug in one way. Just like so. Now to wrestle this back up in here, we're gonna plug in, and before we button it, of course we want to test it to make sure it works. And then we'll go from there. If I can just get back to the opening, and I'm probably gonna have to hurry now because I feel raindrops coming, so it's probably gonna start raining here any second. Alright, just get this in. I'm not sure if this is gonna fit. Come on, what is with this rain? Oh Lord, actually just push this up just a little. Oh, actually, there we go, that's in. Now we just gotta screw this in. I'm about to just set the camera down for a few minutes, guys, because it looks like it's gonna start pouring as it's sunny. Welcome to Florida. I'll catch it back up with y'all in just a little bit when it quits raining. Oh, success, guys. It looks like it's actually gonna quit raining for a few minutes. Ha-ha! Yeah, before you button everything up, you want to test to make sure it works, so. That's pretty awesome looking if you ask me. Just like the directions call for, we got just a little bit of a gap here along the bottom. So we'll point down. I'll be testing this when it gets dark out anyway, so good news is I'm gonna button all of this, everything up on this side, and then we're gonna get the other side going.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, a few minutes of rain later. One of the big reasons I hate living in Florida in the summertime is if it's not boiling hot, it's raining. And after it rains, the heat plus the rain equals a lot of humidity and a lot more profuse sweating. So yes, as you can see, we still got the factory one on the driver's side, and the passenger side now has the new fog light. So the good news is one is in. Overall, I think it looks really good so far. Yes, a little tricky. You gotta make sure which pins and everything to take out. Once you get everything out properly and you get enough space, it's a pretty simple job. So the good news is, I think anybody can do this. If someone like me, I don't have a whole lot of mechanical competency, I can do this. I'm not the worst, but I'm definitely not the best either, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one started, and I'll catch up back with you all when it's installed. Alright guys, as you can see, I finally got them installed and adjusted, and I think they look really great now that we finally got them in. Pro tip for anybody who wants to do this: when you go to adjust them, it's a lot easier to get them right before you install them, not after. Oh well. Realized I actually installed them slightly wrong. The two little clips that actually go towards the center of the bumper, I actually had them in wrong. So I had to kind of readjust them while they were already on the truck. Luckily that wasn't too bad, but live and learn on that. As you can see, they're pretty bright, so I'm very happy with the look of them overall, and I'm just hoping they are of the standard Diode Dynamics quality that I've come to expect. I've only ever had problems with one product from Diode Dynamics, and that was taillight sequencers that I ordered for the Mustang. It took 3 sets to get them to send me a set that worked. Luckily, Diode Dynamics does stand behind their warranty, so a little bit annoying, but overall, we were able to get that sorted. So, if this video actually does well, I'm actually thinking I'm going to reach out to Diode Dynamics and we're going to try to get a sponsorship from them, because I've actually got a lot of their products on my 2 vehicles here, both this and the Mustang, so I've already bought a lot of things at full price. I might as well. And they've actually gave me a shout out the other day on their Instagram, so I was happy with that. But hopefully we can continue with this and get all their products on here. I'm gonna catch up with you all at night, because I'm gonna get some night shots of this once the sun goes down. I'll see you all then. Alright guys, so as you can see, sun is beginning to set. It is golden hour, so I thought, why not get some good golden hour cinematography. So as you can see, we got the fog lights lit up, and I think they look pretty good for some fog lights. Of course, they don't look really bright at the very moment, but definitely as the sun begins to go down. I know they're gonna get a lot brighter. I'm gonna have to test these out on an actual, like, dark back road. This is just sort of this looks like a back road, but really you got the traffic behind me in the store. Hopefully I'm not trespassing right now. But overall, I think they actually look really good. I'm really hoping these will look excellent once I get everything edited here. Definitely bright, and I like that about them, and I think they just add that better overall look to the truck. No more kind of fog lights that were really more of an afterthought. They actually look like they were meant to be here. This, of course, has got me excited for a lot more lighting mods over time. I definitely will be doing a lot more. This is not the last. I mean, eventually I hope to turn this truck into a full-blown trail rig, so right now I'm actually really happy with these. So anyway, let me know in the comment section below what you all think about all that, because I'm really liking these fog lights. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Now, I don't know if we're gonna be there at the time of posting this video or not, but as of filming this, I'm at 1,998 subscribers, so I'm 2 away from 2,000. So, if we're at 2,000 when this video goes live, I wanna thank you all so much for helping me get to 2,000. This channel will start off as just kind of a hobby. I never thought it would actually get anywhere. I'm glad to see it get that far. And if we're not at 2,000, please hit that subscribe button, help me get to 2,000. But anyway, take care, have a good day.